Hey guys, Fox here. Welcome back to another Shemagh tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an extremely simple full head and face covering that can be deployed in less than 30 seconds. And it's relatively secure. It's not the most secure one you can do, but it'll suffice. It's called the Pirate. I don't know why it's called that. Now, some of you may be saying to yourself, wait, Fox, you already did this. Yes, you're right, I did. But I just had to get rid of the old one because the quality was just absolute trash on the first tie through. And I want to give you guys the quality you deserve, you know. I want to show you how to make the most out of your Shemaghs without too much hassle. By the way, this is done. This short end here, you can let it hang, you can tuck it in your shirt, whatever you want to do. But that's it. And it's partially convertible. Now, I'll explain why I say partially in a moment, but let me run you through that again. This is so simple, by the way, that this video is going to remain under 6 minutes. But yeah, the reason I'm re-recording it really is I don't like inconsistent quality. You know? You guys deserve high quality content, or at least the highest quality that I can possibly muster. So what you saw me do was slap the default triangle over my head, bring it off center, a little farther than the Bedouin would go, but not too far. Again, a balance has to be achieved, although it doesn't matter a whole heck of a lot because the short end is useless. So now, once you get everything lined up to just at or under your brow, depending on what you want, you don't have to fold and tuck, by the way, but take this end. Now, you're grasping here at the eye. Keep the middle finger centered on your eye and only do a 3-finger grasp. That's all you need. Bring it around the front, round the back. Try not to twist it up. Tuck this where you grabbed in, and then tuck the end down in. That's it. It is that goddamn simple. And from here, it's just straighten up however you want. You know, if you want this nice and tight, you can pinch and tuck. But that's it. You know, that's the Pirate wrap done. And when I say partially convertible, I mean this is not securely tied. So if you put it up, pull it down, put it up, pull it down, you'll notice that this starts to get a little loose. Well, it's this part coming out here. You can retighten it, and it's as simple as, pull it up. There you go. Tuck it back in. Boom, done. That's it. So, yeah. Again, I apologize for releasing a subpar quality tutorial previously. It's my intention to bring you the most informative content, and I kind of failed to deliver on that one. So, from here on out, I'm going to do multiple takes if necessary. I'm going to give you the best possible quality video. That way, you can, again, have the clearest view of the steps. So, thanks again to everyone for your positive comments and feedback It's all really appreciated. And hey, share these videos with a friend. I know they're all on a playlist. Get off me, bug. They're all on a playlist. So you share that. Encourage your friends to get Shemaghs. Like I said in a previous video, you can get these on Amazon. This particular one is a Tap Collections Shemagh. Highly recommended. If they don't have it in the color you want, check out Exploreland. And third up is Rothko. But yeah, that's it for me. Hey, look at that, under 6 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.